Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for the overwhelming love and messages you've been sending out to me. It's really appreciable. And I'm back here with another reading for you. I'll be doing a yes or no spread for you. So for all of you who are stuck in, a confusion or are at a crossroads, you have questions which have direct answers of either a yes or a no, this reading is meant for you. I've made 3 piles here. It's a pick a card reading. Pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Choose your questions, choose your situations, and choose your pile. And I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. Please remember, it's a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. So let's begin with pile number 1. What the cards have to tell you, whatever you want to know in a yes or no situation. Let's see what we have here in store for you. So pile number 1, whatever you have thought of and whatever questions you have, for those of you who've chosen pile number 1, at this point in time the cards are definitely telling you that this is not the time for this, for your questions or for whatever you're planning to do. It's not a yes at the moment, and it's definitely not a complete no. This is a time period based reading, so this is not a complete no. Maybe in times to come we could do this kind of a spread again and see what the cards have in store for you. But at this point in time, the cards are definitely telling you that it's not working out right now. This confusion is still going to remain. So just close this chapter on a no, and let's see what the Moonology cards want to guide you for this particular situation or whatever you have in your mind. Let's see what guidance the Moonology cards want to pass on to you. Pile number 1. So it's definitely a win-win situation for you, so nothing to worry. Even if the cards have told you that it's a no, positivity or good luck is not a no. Things will be fine for you, but this question, whatever was on your mind, is a no for you. And let's see what the miracle cards are telling you. Like I said, that it's the situation or the question that was on your mind, the cards are telling you is a no. But the other aspects of life or the something that is not pertaining to this question is definitely positive. The outcome will be always positive for you. So even if the cards have refused something, the outcome will be positive. So even the miracle cards are telling you that your karmic life path is filled with positive essence of healing and kindness. This is the time for you to allow peace, stability, and tranquility in your life. So this is the energy. This is the time when you need to just receive your positive energy, have a positive intent to you, give out, be a giver at this point in time. Don't be a receiver. This is not a time to receive. You need to just receive positivity and also give out a lot of positivity. Just don't ask the universe for anything at this point in time. And also don't commit yourself to anything. Don't make false promises at this point in time. Just let your life karma first heal. Let peace and tranquility first enter your life, and then you could plan for further things. So this was for pile number 1. At this point in time, it's a no for you. This particular pile number 1, things are whatever you've asked your question, this is a no for you. Let's see what we have in store for pile number 2. I hope this reading was helpful and beneficial. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Number 1. Let's see what we have in store for pile number 2. Please think about your questions. Pile number 2, think about your situation, wherever want to know from the cards, whether it's a yes or whether it's a no. Any confusion in your head, you want to clear your mind. Let's see pile number 2, people who've chosen this pile, and it's definitely for a lot of you, this is a time of confusion and crossroads. The cards have confirmed. So pile number 2, at this point in time, whatever this situation or this crossroads, whatever has come in your mind, this point in time, it is a no, but 24 days from now, you could again think of the same thing and then, maybe join me for another reading or maybe ask for guidance. But at this point in time, the cards are not in favorable of this particular thing that you have asked. It's definitely a no at this point in time. Let's see what the Moonology cards are guiding you. And people, please do not be disheartened that it's a no. For a lot of you, this no could be actually a very positive outcome because it's a general reading. So a lot of you might have questions which are actually, not in favor of you, and it's better to get a no instead of a yes so that it works out for you. So the Moonology cards are telling you to be self-reliant. You are good enough. Please do not have any kind of inhibitions in your mind regarding yourself. Don't demean yourself. You need to have the confidence that you yourself are good enough. That's what the Moonology cards are guiding you to do. It is a yes or no spread, so I will not be digressing or diverging further into the cards at this point in time because this is just a simple yes or no as well as a guidance reading. And let's see what the Miracle cards are guiding you. You need to be more adaptable and tolerant, and it's time for new beginnings. So please, you could use these guidances for your situations, for your questions, and you can merge them with what the other yes or no spread has said. The cards are very positive for you. Just make sure, like I have said, be more adaptable, more tolerant, and remember that you yourself are good enough. Don't, decrease your worth. Please have confidence in yourself, and it's definitely a time for new beginnings and changes in your life. So that was for pile number 2. Pile number 3, whatever is coming to your mind, it could be anything, relationships, career, work, personal, anything that's bothering you, or you have something in mind which you just want to know a yes or a no. Let's see what the Rider-Waite Tarot cards have to tell us for pile number 3, whether it's a yes or a no. So pile number 3 is definitely a yes for you. Whatever has come to your mind, whatever questions you had in your mind, it's definitely a yes for you. There might be a little delay, there might be a little stagnancy, but it's going to happen. It's going to happen in the right manner. And just wait, don't rush into anything, and things will happen. It could be anything that has come to your mind. The cards have said that this particular thing is a yes for you. So I hope that this helps you a lot and it resonates with all of you. Pile number 3. Let's see what the Moonology cards have in store for you. What do the Moonology cards have to? This is just a guidance card that I'll be taking out for you. Pile number 3. Your hard work is paying off, and please balance out your spirituality and your practical life. So that's what the cards are saying, that your hard work is definitely paying off, but don't, like I already said, that don't rush into things. That's what the Moonology cards are confirming, that it's okay, this will happen, this is definitely a yes for you, but please do not mix up your spiritual life as well as your practical life. You need to balance out both. You can't just rush into things. You can't just keep working, and it's not going to happen that you are just onto a spiritual trip. Both the things have to go hand in hand. So please balance out. And like I just said, it's okay. Delays are not a no or not a negative thing, but just that it's the right, things will happen at the right time. So don't rush. cards are definitely saying a yes to your question. And what are the miracle cards telling you to do? Let's see. You will triumph over stumbling blocks, and your ambitions will drive you forward to generate a lot of strength in you. So all the cards have gone hand in hand, pile number 3, that your ambitions will also drive you and you will be successful. Whatever blockages that you are facing will all go away. Even the Rider's Waite cards have given you a yes outcome for whatever you've asked, but have definitely told you to go slow, don't rush, and also have told you to, let things happen with time. It's okay. Things are going to happen with a little delay, but that's absolutely fine. Nothing to worry about. So I hope the reading was helpful for you, pile number 3. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you all. Thank you so much once again, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can get notified every time I do a new video. I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.